Quantum computing, the future of computing. Quantum computing is a new emerging technology in the IT world, and uh, I want to highlight some of the points, and it's about quantum computing. So, these are the table of contents, or these are the topics we are going in those slides about quantum computing. Uh, what is quantum computing? When you understand the word quantum, it comes from physics, mathematics, and many other basic um, parts of science. Quantum really means studying of small particles and complex mathematics. It involves complex mathematics. So anything that we do in quantum, it is very rapid, or it is very fast. So it is an a rapidly emerging technology technology which uses quantum mechanics to solve a problem. Quantum mechanics, as you know, quantum mechanics involves practice of using complex mathematics. So it is so it is involved with the process of hardware research, and also for application development. Quantum computing has different features, and it is different from the computers we know today. Quantum computers are not something you regularly know as a computer. Is different concept. Quantum computers, quantum computers are something that is based on new different technology. What we use today is based electronic computers are based on transistors, but quantum computers use something known as qubits. So if you know bits, bits is something that is on and off, that uses on and off, 0 or 1, but the quantum computers uses something known as qubits. Qubits is something more greater than bits, because it works fast, and it is very fluid. So it is better than bits, working on bits. So it is the quantum computers are naturally faster than the um, electronic computers, and they are much more powerful. It is for comparing electronic computers to um, quantum computers. It is like comparing an rhino with an mouse. It is also the major breakthrough after microprocessor. What we are using now is the best version of a microprocessor. So, but quantum computers are even better and greater than microprocessors. What do you think the shape of the computers might be? Quantum computers might be. Do you think it is kind of a laptop, or do you think it's kind of a regular computer, like desktop, or something like a CPU, or something like a supercomputers? No, you are wrong. It is basically a inverted bulb, as I saw, as it is showed on the picture. Um, it looks like a bulb, but it is in inverted form. Uh, Basically, how it works is that there are many circuits that are inverted, and that work on the calculations. The For example, if you take a sack of rice, a quantum computer can can differentiate, can take out a needle between those in the sack of rice. For example, if you take a mouse if you have to take a mouse through a puzzle or a map, it can it can bring out every other every other routes and every possible outcomes through which the mouse can enter from a door and exit from another door. Uh, if we compare our computers with quantum computers, as I have said earlier before, our computer works on 0 and 1, or which is known as binary, but quantum computers work for much better much better than binaries, and uh, it 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 can do much more vast calculation and complex calculation. In You know that a regular computer can't do many calculations that are complex, such as derivatives, anti-derivatives. If you try to do it with a supercomputer or a regular computer, it won't do it, or it would rather take some time, or few more time than a quantum computer. A quantum computer can do those solutions like a kid doing some addition problems or a subtraction problems. Um, and quantum computers have less error, and must be kept in cold environment, but classic computer have low error, but you need to operate them in a room temperature. As you know, the quantum computer are in a development stage, so you cannot actually buy a quantum computer for now, but it is being developed in a certain way in different companies. Development of quantum computers. Mm, The quantum computers can be developed in many versions, and are being developed in different companies such as Microsoft, IBM, Nokia, Alibaba, and other Chinese companies, because they know and they understand the scope and the power of the quantum computers or quantum computing. When supercomputers were invented, they were made as a powerful tool, but yeah, so it is also a revolution. We can say quantum computers are also a revolution better than supercomputers. So there is much more vast discoveries need to be made in this computing or quantum computers. Um, as MIT professors also researched and explained about the power of quantum computers, where they used the quantum computers, and they found out that the normal it can extract or it can hack every other personal information and resources and data in few seconds faster than the supercomputers. And even though it is not fully developed, it can do those things better than a supercomputer. In